hello, it's Chef in my kitchen. Here's another episode of Healthy Bites. Our next dish or snack for this lunchtime is gonna be a plain pasta with avocado. Bit different, but it's nice. For that, we've got a wholemeal pasta. In this circumstances, a penne instead. We've boiled the water. We'll put some salts in it, and then we'll boil this. We'll start with the pasta first, because that takes a bit longer than anything else we're gonna prepare, and we'll just leave it there for 7, 8, 9 minutes nicely. If you want it al dente, you can have it 1 or 2 minutes less. Right, so what we're gonna do is we've got avocado, very healthy there. Take the stone away, peel it. I would recommend 1 avocado per portion. Chop them nicely, and off we go. And there we've got some red onion. I will only do half an onion. We'll chop it, is more than enough. Some garlic. Quite a few people mentioned on our social media that we use a lot of garlic, and I am proud of that. It is very, very, very good for cleaning the blood. Unless you prefer kissing girls than cleaning your own blood, that's a different matter altogether. Chili, half a chili. 1 is too much. Let's take the seeds off. In there, a few plum tomatoes. You can cut them in halves. Olive oil this time, and it is not a problem if you get a bit generous with this. In fact, I might even add a bit more later on. We've got some basils here and some coriander, fresh basil and coriander. Once we finish with this dish here, we can just top it up with, like I said, the basil and the coriander. This is now nice and hot there. Black pepper. Right. And now we've got a lemon. A lime. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Right, now we have this penne ready. In, out. And like I said before, some basil, some coriander, and here we have it. Look how colorful, how simple to make, and how healthy. And here we are. Something very nice to have just at the end of the training, and not too heavy. It's just beautiful. Well, I hope you will try it at home and just let us know what you think. Have a nice day.